Okay, so let's discuss some politics matters now. Deputy President William Ruto has denied claims that the ruling Jubilee coalition is paying CORD leaders to ditch the opposition coalition. Reacting to claims that he may have been behind the recent defection of former ODM Secretary General Ababu Namwamba, Ruto said the cracks in ODM are just the aftermath of poor planning by the opposition coalition.
The Deputy President is, of course, aware of the 10th commandment. Thou shalt not covet. No one should salivate and covet the political opportunities created by our actions and resignation from ODM positions. If anyone expects to reap from the decisions my colleagues and I have taken, they are very mistaken.